Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add a recipient as an in-person signer and guide you through the process of signing as an in-person signer in BoldSign. An in-person signer is a recipient who signs a document in the physical presence of another person, usually a representative or host. Hosts are designated persons who oversee the in-person signing process. They are responsible for initiating the signing session and ensuring that the document is signed in their physical presence. The host must be a user from your organization. The in-person signer feature is helpful as it allows for a digital signature to be obtained in a face-to-face meeting. This ensures that the signer acknowledges the document in the presence of the host, adding an extra layer of trust and legality to the process. Let's consider a landlord who needs to ensure that his tenant signs the lease agreement in person, in the presence of a legal advisor. To achieve this, he utilizes the in-person signing feature provided by BoldSign. He needs to send a signature request with the tenant as the in-person signer and assign a legal advisor as the host. This process enables the legal advisor to guide the tenant through the document and make any necessary changes during their meeting. This ensures that the tenant fully understands the terms and the legality of the agreement, establishing trust and confidence in their rental agreement. Let me show you how to do this. I first access the BoldSign application page and click the Create New button. I choose Create New Document to navigate to the Prepare Document page. Here, I upload the lease agreement form from my computer by clicking the Browse button. In the Add Recipient section, I have tenant's details who needs to sign as an in-person, and choose the in-person signer option from the drop-down menu in the Role field. I then enter the legal advisor's email address as the host. Once that's done, I click the Next button. This takes me to the Configure Fields page where I set the form fields. In the Tenant Details section, I drag and drop the name and email fields for name and email, respectively. As a final step, I drag and drop the signature and date signed field for signature and date. I then check the changes made once and send the document out for signature. Let's switch to the host side and see how to sign a document as an in-person signer. The host receives an email notification indicating that he has to host a signature session for the lease agreement form. When I click the Host Signing Session button, I am navigated to the Lease Agreement Form Overview page, if I have already logged into my account. However, if I haven't logged in, I'll be navigated to the BoldSign login page where I need to enter my login details first. This then takes me to the Lease Agreement Form Overview page. I click the Sign Document button to initiate the signing process. I then select the recipient I need to host and click the Next button to proceed to the next step. Here, I carefully read the instructions and then click the Start Session button to navigate to the signing page. The name, email, and date signed fields are automatically populated. Here, the legal advisor needs to guide the tenant through the document and assist him in adding his signature. To complete the signing process, the tenant should click the Complete Signing button. They should then transfer control to the host by clicking the Transfer Control button in the prompt pop-up. The document status is updated to completed on the host dashboard page and on the sender's side. Additionally, an email notification is sent. That's all about the in-person signer in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.